Hello everyone, I am Lillian with Time to Sign, and today I want to talk about the 7 elements of holistic self-care. This is from my series about self-love and self-care, Serenity Within. Let's talk about what are the 7 elements of holistic self-care. How do we care for ourselves in a holistic way? And why it's important to do that? Well, why it's important is because engaging in these 7 elements is essential for achieving a holistic sense of well-being. Light energizes and regulates your body's rhythm, which is number 1. All right. Water sustains life and aids in detoxification. Food nourishes our body. So that's number 3, food. And fuels your activities. Nature, just going outside, just being outside and breathing the air provides peace and a connection to the world around you. Movement, just moving around, okay, keeps your body strong and agile. Community fosters a sense of belonging and support. And of course, rest is crucial for recovery. Together, they form the foundation of a vibrant, fulfilling life, helping you to balance and maintain your everyday and prevent burnout and enhance the quality of life. So what areas do you need to improve more on? What areas do you want to work more on to make sure that you capture the 7 elements of wellness? So getting enough light, whether natural light, going outside. Some areas, of our country, you don't get enough of that. So are you getting enough light? And if not, are you getting enough vitamin D? That helps too. Sometimes we have to supplement. Water. Are you drinking enough water? Right? That's a big one. It supports every cell of your body. Food. What foods are you eating? You know the saying, we are what we eat. So are you getting enough nutrients into your body? Are you having a well-balanced energy level type of diet? So look at that. It's really important. It's good for mental clarity, physical health, and overall vitality. So that's a big one. And of course, for food, you really, it does do your emotional stability. Sometimes we eat when we're upset. So what are we eating? It really helps to monitor that. And cognitive function. Your brain, it needs fuel. And fuel comes from the right food. Movement, of course. Dancing. I love dancing. So are you dancing? Are you playing? Are you moving? All right. Just doing a little exercise in the morning, stretching. It's a good one. Body tapping. Listen, body tapping is the most amazing thing you can do. Check it out on YouTube. Body tapping. It actually gets all your cells in your body going. Actually helps you lose weight and so much more. Check out some of my videos on body tapping. All right. Community. Who is your friends, your family, your community? Who you're hanging out with? Are they bringing peace and love and excitement to your life? Are they helping you grow? Are they helping you emotionally and for your faith and your values? So who you hang with and having a sense, because that helps you belong. That helps you feel better, and it supports you. And then rest. Are you getting enough rest? I don't. I need to get a lot more of it. But one of the things that people are, need to think about is, are you getting enough rest? Right? So this is part of the program. I'm doing a workshop on May 20th. And of course, I have a workshop already pre-recorded on my website at timetosign.com. So you don't have to attend the live webinar. You can just go in and purchase the program in our website at timetosign.com. But I am going to talk every day about self-love and self-care. And the 7 elements or the holistic elements are really important. Did you remember what they are? All right, let's do it again. Did you remember what they are? Water, right? Light, right? That's a big one. Food, that's a big one, right? Exercises, that's a big one, right? What else? Community, right? exercise, movement, right? So much more. So I hope you enjoyed this and share with someone that needs to hear this about taking care of yourself first.